Hi, Kishan Panchal here, and today we are going to install Greenplum Command Center. Go through all the commands and procedure that we have to follow. What is Greenplum Command Center? Greenplum Command Center is a monitoring tool from where you can check and monitor system metrics, analyze cluster health, and do many functionalities. It enables the database administrator to perform management tasks in the Greenplum database environment. It is natively based on HTML5. The Greenplum Command Center web server and backend application can run on master or a standby host. The GP performance monitoring database stores current and the historical queries, status and system information collected from the agents running on the master and the segment host. Greenplum Command Center uses GP performance database for historical data only. It uses the real-time query monitoring metric to monitor active and queued queries. Greenplum database query metrics extension and the metric collection agent work together to collect real-time metrics and update Greenplum Command Center. As a DBA, Greenplum Command Center is very helpful to manage the workload, monitor the queries, monitor the CPU usage, RAM. Greenplum Command Center have very good GUI for the real-time system monitoring. We can monitor the running queries, monitor the spells, database cluster health, as well as the storage status, segment status, utilization of the system, CPU, RAM, etc. So let's not wait and quickly start the installation. First, we have to download the binaries. We will download it from Pivotal Products. Open this link on a browser. Greenplum Command Center is there. You can able to use many versions. Check for the compatibility of your database with the Command Center, and so on. You can download this product. Update the link like API download link and update the file name. For us, we are going to install a Greenplum CC web version 6.7.2, the version 8, and GPCC database, and execute duplicate command. cd to the /home/gpadmin directory. Execute our duplicate command. Don't miss to update your tokens. You can get it from your VMware profile. Note, run the Greenplum Command Center installer on the Greenplum database master host only. It could take some seconds depending on your network bandwidth or speed. We have to create a folder structure on master as well as the segment host. Use GPSSH -f with the all host file. Once the folder structure is created, we'll unzip the binary file. Once decompress is done, then we will sudo as gpadmin and run our installer on the master host. Now execute ./gpcc install and your version name. First it will ask for the directory which you want to use. You can use the default one, but if you want to specifically mention, then you can mention it. Then you can name the installation for Greenplum Command Center. Default is the GPCC, but you can give a name like whichever you want or as per your organization. Mention the port name which you want to use. And the second last step, whether you have the SSL certificate or not. Currently right now I am not using SSL, so I have mentioned no. And choose your language. It could take some minutes, depends on your hardware configuration. And the rest of the stuff will be performed by the installer. Now execute the source command and source the GPCC directories. See, when I am executing with GPCC, it's not just showing, and when I source it, now it is showing me a correct path of it. Once you are done, add the source command to your .bashrc file and also to your .bash profile file, so you don't have to execute this command again and again as we did in the last video. Just simply execute GPCC start. Our Greenplum Command Center agents will start running on the segment and master host, and you are able to access it via the IP address or a host name. For in my case, I will type https://192.168.206.128 and the port name. Default user will be gpmon. And the password we will get it from pgpass. Execute more.pgpass, so you will get the password of it. You can change it later if you want to. And we are here. So see, many functionalities are there in the Greenplum Command Center. Myself as a DBA, I like keep monitoring the queries, host metrics, cluster metrics from the command center itself. Thank you guys. Please check our website for more details regarding the Greenplum Command Center, also for the user guide as well as the administrator guide.